Don't you just hate when someone who made you miserable says they want to apologize, but they only want to apologize because they want the situation y'all had going on to be over? Therefore the apology is empty. And they also expect an apology from you even though you did nothing wrong. And then you respond to that badly, because it pisses you off, so they proceed to call you a dickhead. And then your friend goes off on them and argues with them even though all their responses are literally repeats of the same thing, trying to victimize themselves and make you look bad. Does anyone else hate that?